In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase margin in Oanda. We'll walk through each step together to make sure everything is clear and simple. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Once your browser is open, type Oanda into the search bar at the top and press enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Oanda. Now look through the search results for the correct link to Oanda's official website. It should be one of the top results and will likely have a web address that starts with oanda.com. Click on this link to go directly to the Oanda homepage. This ensures you're accessing the official site, which is important for security reasons. Once you're on the Oanda homepage, you may be prompted to log in. If you are, enter your username and password to access your account. If you're not prompted, that's okay. Just look for a login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Logging in is crucial to access your personal account details. After logging in, you'll want to select the specific sub-account where you plan to increase the margin. Oanda allows users to manage multiple sub-accounts, so make sure to select the correct one. This step is important because each sub-account may have different settings and balances. With the sub-account selected, locate the Manage Funds or Fund Account option. This option is typically found in your account dashboard or settings. Clicking this option will take you to the page where you can manage your funds. It's a straightforward way to handle your finances within Oanda. Now, let's focus on boosting your account equity. Use an instant deposit method such as a debit card or PayPal. These methods are quick and efficient, allowing you to increase your net cash balance swiftly. By doing this, you lower your margin utilization percent, which frees up more margin space for trading. This step is crucial for those looking to optimize their trading strategy. Next, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Make sure you double-check this amount before proceeding. Ensuring accuracy here is important because it directly affects your account balance and margin availability. Once you're confident in the amount, proceed to the next step. Follow any security prompts that appear to authorize the transaction. These prompts are a standard part of the process to ensure that your transaction is secure. You might be asked to verify your identity or enter a security code sent to your device. This step is essential for keeping your account safe from unauthorized access. After completing these steps, you should see a confirmation that your deposit was successful. This confirmation is a good way to ensure everything went as planned and that your margin is increased. And there you have it. You've successfully increased your margin in Oanda. Remember, understanding how to manage your margin is key to effective trading. I hope this guide has been helpful and clear. Thanks for watching and happy trading.